नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय श्लोका 35 नारद उवाच अनयाकाशवाण्यापि गोप्यत्वेन निरूपितं किं वा तत्साधनं कार्यं येन कार्यं भवेतयोः Narada means Narada Muni Uvaja said Anaya Kashavanyapi Anaya means the sound which was very clear. Akashavanyapi, which was heard from the heaven. Api, now gopyatvena nirupidam. Gopya means the secret. Tena means everything. Nirupitam has been the proved. So Anayakashavanyapi gopyatvena nirupitam. So the heavenly voice that was clearly mentioned in the secret, every secret that was proven to Narada Muni about Kim va tat sadhanam karyam yena karyam bhavetayogo. Kim, why, va, here tat sadhanam means what you are looking for. Karyam, the main achievement. Yena, that one. Karyam, again the achieved one. Bhavetayoho, so it has been blessed by the Bhagavan. Kimva tatsadhanam karyam yena karyam bhavetayoho, what you are searching for or has been taken as the achievement that has been given to you by the Bhagavan himself. That means Anayakashavanya bigobhyatvena nirubidam kimva tatsadhanam karyam yena karyam bhavetayogo. The means to be adopted to achieve the purpose of the two sons of Bhakti Devi, Jnana and Vairagya, whose consciousness need to be regained, that has been mystically indicated. So all the voice that has been heard from the heaven indicated with the secret insight to how to achieve what the Narada Muni has been looking for. So now the Narada Muni has to find out to get the answer for the puzzle that has been told by the heavenly voice. नारद उवाच अनयाकाशवाण्यापि गोप्यत्वेन निरूपितं किं वा तत्साधनं कार्यं येन कार्यं भवेतयोः. Thank you.